Welcome to
Emily
and Hector's
Quick Unboxing Reviews.
Let's do that again. Welcome to
Emily
and Hector's
Quick Unboxing Reviews.
We've got raindrop candies that look like actual real food, and it's making me hungry. Let's go ahead and start on the pizza that has egg, and that's like the main thing I see on it. Egg. Came in the box. Came in the bag. And then
another bag.
And another little bag here. I just want to eat candy already. I'm hungry. Here's the pizza. It does not look like a pizza. What are these things? Does the box say what these things are supposed to be?
No.
Alright, so we got an egg. We got a gummy bear. We got...
Is it like supposed to be breadsticks?
And then this actually looks like a slice of pizza.
Mm-hmm.
And then spaghetti in the pizza. All right, well, you want the egg? And I'll have a slice of pizza. It's good.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Berries?
Berries. All right, well, let's get to the next one.
Let's do the hot dog.
All right. This one says what it has. So you have 4 candy hot dogs, 10 sweet candy buns, 4 candy pickles, and 2 red and yellow candy sauce.
So it's like mustard and ketchup?
I guess. All right. All right. We can't say that these things don't come securely packaged. This looks yummy. This one at least actually looks like a hot dog.
Yeah.
And I'm glad they didn't put any egg in there.
Yeah.
Candy hot dog tastes a lot like candy pizza.
It does.
Next.
Sushi.
Sushi. Let's go for it.
This is what I'm most excited for. And on the back, it shows what it comes with. It has 2 candy nigiri, 2 candy yakurura, 1 candy yakamiki, 2 candy koikuchi, and 2 candy California rolls. So it's like a bento box. It comes like a bento box. This is California roll, and that's yakamiki.
Which California roll do you want?
The brown one.
Okay, I'll get this one.
Oh, this is marshmallow and like a sour belt.
Oh.
Ew.
That does not combine good. What's next? Oh, look at this.
Fishies? It's nigiri. Here, you eat it first. Make sure it's safe.
Oh, that's gross.
It's gross.
The texture.
Oh, the texture.
Because it comes with the marshmallow. And then on top, it's got the gummy candy on top. It's kind of weird. After a while, it tastes kind of good. I'm going to eat this one already. This one's good.
This one's fine?
Yeah. Right?
Interesting. I like it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like...
It had like little bits of hard candy on top, like nerds.
Mm-hmm.
And then the inside was gummy. I like these little containers.
Mm-hmm. Maybe we can keep them.
They're reusing the...
Yeah, little berries.
Yeah. You want this one?
No.
Okay. I'll have it. My tummy hurts.
This is the one I was most excited for, and I feel like this one was the worst one.
Last but not least,
the cake!
All right.
Here it is.
That makes it look really good.
Yeah.
And it's like stuffed in there. All right.
This one's nice. This is, I feel like, the prettiest one.
I think I'm gonna have to use my lightsaber for this. Let's just start. I like
these things. Yeah.
Excuse me. I think I ate too much candy.
Stop eating.
It's
Are those
calling
lips?
me. Those are lips. I think they're like just reusing either molds or the actual candy that they return. Like, these didn't sell for Valentine's Day.
All the gummy tastes the same, and it's all super hard. It's just like gelatin. It isn't really gummy.
Look at this one. This one sounds really kind of cute.
Oh, it's marshmallow.
Mm-hmm.
It was supposed to be a candle, I think.
No, it's like cupcake in the middle. You want it?
Okay. No.
I'll have half of it. There you go, Emmy.
I'm tired of chewing. Good.
It's good, huh?
Mm.
Just so much sugar. Oh man.
We're gonna crash so hard.
Yeah. Okay, I mean,
Yeah, no more.
no more. I don't think I can eat no more gummy candy.
Except for this one. This one was really good. Okay.
Yeah. I think some gummy candy came out my nose.
Ew.
Do not put in the oven and microwave. So. What's happening?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Stop it.
Oh, the recording or the
No,
microwave?
do I stop it?
Yeah, stop it. Look at that.
Oh, it smells.
Touch it.
No.
Touch it.
Okay, can I?
Yes, use a stick.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
You want some?
No.
Oh, it smells so bad. It smells like a mango went bad, and then you microwaved it.
Thanks for joining us on this quick unboxing review of
Raindrops. Enjoy the adventure, gummy candy.
Join us again on our next quick unboxing review of Bob's Burgers Series 2 Collector Clip.